Hey guys, so we're back making a Volvo video, and after the success of the last long-term review, I've gotten a lot of feedback of people asking me, how is the interior noise? How does the cabin insulation compare to other competitors? And so we just got back from a road trip from New York, and it was a really good opportunity to test out different types of freeway surfaces as well as different speeds. So what I did was I put together a trip from New York State across Ohio, Pennsylvania, Kentucky, Tennessee, and all the way into Texas, where I've analyzed the different, first of all, we have the speed, we have the road surface, and then I have actual audio from inside the cabin. There's a couple shots where I try to use my Apple Watch, and that has a built-in sound sensor. So I'll put together these clips. It will put the speed in miles per hour as well as kilometers per hour, for I know we have a lot of international viewers, but hopefully this will give you an actual sense of different road conditions and what the interior cabin sounds like. And I know it's all subjective if you're in a different car, but this does give you a sense of road surface, wind speed, tire noise, and hopefully this will give you guys a sense of what this car is like. And if you haven't yet, hit that like button. We really appreciate it for the YouTube algorithm, and safe travels. This is 70 miles an hour on very smooth asphalt. Now we're in Pennsylvania, 75 miles per hour on an asphalt. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was useful in your comparison. I also want to describe a little bit of these photos. As we were coming into Texas, we finished this 3,000-mile road trip, and a rock or some kind of brick flies up from the road and it destroyed the side mirror. You can see the damage. I've taken it in, I filed a claim, and the price is pretty reasonable. My body shop told me we need to replace the entire assembly. My insurance is covering it under comprehensive, but this just gives you an idea of repair costs for the Volvo, again, compared to some of the other competitors. Thanks, and hit subscribe.